Do you love squishy dumpling? Every round's filled with adorable squishy dumplings waiting to be picked, but you can only choose one. Some squishies are extra cute, super rare, or glittery. Others might be weird, silly, or the funniest surprise you've ever seen. In Quiz Kingdom's Choose Your Squishy Dumpling Challenge, every choice is a tough one because they're all irresistibly squishy. Trust your heart, pick your favorite, and let's see which adorable dumplings make it into your ultimate collection. Let's squish! First choice, which mansion will become your dream home? Which yacht would you choose? Froggy's picking the lava. Choose the perfect chair for your home. Which amazing vehicle are you taking for a ride? Let's pick the right way to avoid a police car. Just follow the rule. This is the right way. Which tea party would you love to join? Froggy's definitely choosing the Galaxy Starbucks. How about the ice nail art this time? Which bag matches your style best? Where's the bag? Can you help Froggy find it? Oh, it's in the third box. Will you risk the mystery squishy? Which lollipop looks the sweetest? Pick your lollipop now! Which beanbag looks the comfiest? Which house would your adorable pet love? You can only choose one pet. If you chose the Samoyed, like this video right now. If you picked the Ginger Cat, subscribe to Quiz Kingdom. Which chicken would you choose? Froggy wants the Woody pillow. Which one's yours? Which ice cream would you grab first? Which bedroom looks the coziest? Which jacuzzi would you dip in? There are 5 differences that only eagle eyes can see. It's time to check your answer. Which lamp would brighten your room? Which cupcake are you giving Froggy? Which fast food set would you eat first? Which pool are you jumping into? Just take your float. Can you find what's missing from the puzzle? Yes, A was the missing piece. Which inflatable castle would you play in? Froggy really wants to learn the piano. Which one should I choose? Which chocolate treat's your favorite? Which bracelet are you picking? Of course, Froggy's choosing the gold burger. What about you? There's one odd food. Let's see if you can find it. Oh, there it is! Which planet would you love to explore? Froggy's taking the glitter spaceship. Which one would you choose? Which dumpster toy do you like best? Which perfume matches your personality? Which AirPods are you taking home? Final round. Which toilet would you choose? Pick carefully. You made it to the end! What's your final score? Drop it in the comments and let's see who wins. Hit subscribe and join us again soon. Bye-bye!